Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we're going to learn Unit 1, Scientific Skills. So are you ready? This is Nisa and her friends. They are in the science lab. What are they doing? Look at the boy over there. This seedling has grown taller, he said. Yes, the seedling has grown, replied Nisa. The number of leaves have also increased. Now everyone, look at this table. In this table, it has days, number of leaves, and height of the seedling. We measure the height of the seedling with unit centimeter or cm. Now, look at day 1. Okay, look at the number of leaves. Day 1, the number of leaves is 2. Day 7, it become 5. Day 14, the number of leaves become 8. Day 21, it become 10. So, as you can see, the number of leaves has been increased from day 1 until day 21. Now, look at the height of the seedling. We measure with the centimeter unit or cm. Look at day 1. The height of the seedling is 4 cm. Day 7, 7 cm. Day 14, 9 cm. And day 21, it become 12 cm. So as you can see here, the height of the seedling has been increased from day 1 until day 21. Nisa and her friends are recording the growth of the plants and observe the changes from day 1 until day 21. The number of leaves and height have been increased during the observation. Now, what is observing? Observing. Observing is we gather information about the changes using our senses. So class, do you still remember how many senses that we have? Can you name it? Okay, well done everyone. So we have 5 senses. Okay, number 1 is to see. You use your eyes to see the object around you. For example, this car. What color is this car? Yes, it is red in color. Number 2 is to taste. You use your tongue to taste. For example, this ice cream. You can taste sweet, you can taste bitter, you can taste sour, or you can also taste salty food. Okay, number 3 is to smell. You use your nose to smell the durian, for example. So, any of you loves to eat durian? Number 4 is to hear. You use your ear to hear your favorite song in the radio, right? Okay. And lastly, number 5 is to touch. You use your hand or your skin to touch the object around you. For example, these hot pots. Oh, please don't touch the hot pots. It is very dangerous, okay? Or you might get hurt. Now Lisa and her brother are helping their mother in the kitchen. Let's follow their activities. Now, look at the picture. We need flour, salt, sugar, yeast, and water to make bread. First, we mix the flour with salt, sugar, yeast, and water. Then, we knead the dough until it is smooth, said her mother. Next, we cover the dough with a clean wet towel and leave it for an hour. Wow, the dough has risen, said her brother. Let's put the dough in the oven. Her brother observed the dough. From smaller, it became bigger. Next. Wow, this bread smells nice. Don't touch the hot oven, said Nisa to her brother. A few minutes later, Mother, the timer has sounded. Is the bread done? Her brother is so excited. Her brother tasted the bread and said, "This bread tastes good." Yes, this bread is soft and fluffy, said Nisa when she touched the bread. Now, these are the observations made by Nisa and her brother while their mother was making the bread. Number 1. Nisa and her brother saw the changes in the dough. Number 2. They smelled the bread being made. Number 3. Her brother tasted the bread. Number 4. Nisa touched the bread. And number 5. Her brother heard the sound of the oven. We gather information about the changes around us by seeing, smelling, hearing, touching, and listening. These process skills are known as observing. Question 1. State the senses that are involved in making an observation for situation below. So, look at the picture. Can you state what senses involved? Number 2. State the senses that are involved in making an observation for situation below. So, look at the girl. So, what do you think the senses that involved in this picture? Can you give me the answer? Alright guys, now I want you to refer to your worksheet and look at this picture. Okay, I want you to observe this fruit. Okay, so today I observe an. Okay, can you spell the word? Okay, and then you can refer to your worksheet and I want you to observe it with your 5 senses. Okay, try to observe it with your 5 senses. If you have the fruit, then you can go and take it. Alright, so the first one, okay, the smell. Okay, describe how it smell. Okay, is it have a smell or do not have a smell? Okay, for this one, describe how it look like. Okay, you look at the picture and you describe how it look like. Okay, is it round? Is it square? Is it oval? Okay, then for the taste, describe how it tastes. Okay, is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it bitter? Okay, is it salty? So you write in the space provided. Okay, and then when you touch it, what does it feel like? Is it smooth? Is it hard? Okay, and lastly, can it make any sound? Okay, all right. And then I want you to draw the fruits in the box below. Okay, you draw again the fruits in this box. Okay,